Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Let's dive deep into Apple in this video. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 2, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate with a score of -2.22. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there could be a potential 14.68% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a chance for a return between 14.68% and 25.22%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible 32.07% change over the next year. This could result in a return ranging from 23.26% to 42.47%. In terms of price, this would mean a range of $228.82 to $264.47 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Apple brings a concerning headline: weaker technical forecast for Apple as stock downgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the Apple stock price experienced a decline of -3.58%, dropping from $192.53 to $185.64. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.48%, ranging from a low of $183.89 to a high of $188.44. In the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decrease of -6.04%. Although there was an increase in trading volume by 34 million shares, the prices continued to decline. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly higher risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $14.18 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 76 million shares exchanged. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $199.62, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock price is 7%, equivalent to $13.98, below the 52-week high, and 18.67%, equivalent to $42.62, below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Today, let's discuss the latest analyst ratings for Apple, the stock symbol for Apple Inc. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush, a renowned financial institution, gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup, another prominent player in the financial industry, gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. Another analyst rating received on the same day was from KeyBank, who graded Apple as sector weight with a hold action. Let's take a step back to Friday, November 24, 2023, when Wedbush once again gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank rated Apple as sector weight with a hold action. According to analysts, Apple stock has received a general rating of strong buy. They have given a strong buy rating for the P/E ratio and price to book as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Apple stock. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Apple. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are any corrections and the stock rises, it may face resistance at the lines marked at $192.32 and $192.02. However, if the stock manages to break through these levels, it would issue buy signals. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -6.29% so far. This suggests that further fall is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at the moment. It's worth noting that volume has risen on falling prices recently. This could serve as an early warning and indicates that the stock should be monitored more closely. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that you may find valuable for your trading decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which showed a sell signal 12 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also giving a sell signal 2 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 39 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. Based on the short moving average, there was a sell signal 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 39 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 27 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has found support from accumulated volume at $181.82. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is being tested. When it comes to the stock's movements, Apple tends to have very controlled and stable patterns. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a price range of $4.56 between its daily high and low, which accounts for a 2.48% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.29%. Let's begin by exploring some key fundamental data before discussing potential trading levels for Apple. First, let's understand the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio falls within the range of what is considered normal. This is often observed in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple in Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Apple's earnings in Q4 2023 are at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly influence stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $197.57. If you don't own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to break this level before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.162. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our assessment is negative. No stop loss has been set in this case. Is Apple stock a good buy? While the positive trend continues, we have identified several negative signals for Apple stock. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Minor weaknesses in the technical picture have prompted us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 3rd, we expect Apple to open up with a gain of $0.348, starting trading at $185.99. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading comes with a considerable risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, we recommend consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Now, let's take a look at the current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.